So, out here in the forest, for some crows. They don't like me being here, I don't think. They're going a bit crazy. Well, I'm looking for a geocache and I came across this pond. Some ducks swimming out there. They're going a bit crazy, I think they'll go away. But no sound of the city. It's got some beautiful autumn colours here. It's rather an old looking forest. Some old trees in it. It looks like I've got to climb up a steep hill. Up through some gorge. It's up there. It's quite interesting. Two paths. I expect it might be for skiing in the winter. Let's climb up. The birds are still protesting. Lovely vegetation here. Mosses. Incredible. Look at that. Just hanging down over this little path. Oh, look at that. Coming out into a glade. This would be a perfect place to sing a song. A children's song. Yeah, let's do that. Let's sing a song. Okonoa, Okonoa, ole kunnon mies, kun hän meni sauna, laittaa hattu naula. Ukonnoa, Ukonnoa, ole kunnon mies. Looks like we have horses coming along this path. What's this second clump of doodah that I've seen? Oh. It says that this is, they call it Little Stone, Finnish Stonehenge. It's, I don't know, 20 meters away from here. So let's go on and see what this Stonehenge is. On the caches, so, oh look, there it is. Mini Stonehenge, yeah, right. Looks like somebody's just built some area where you could perhaps camp and have a campfire. At least somebody's been having a campfire there. And it goes round. Big tree growing in the centre there. Stones all around. It's a very lovely place in the summer. It's just 500 meters from that lake down there where you go for a swim. A big tree here in the centre of it. Let's climb up it and see how far it goes. It must be 30 meters up there or more. So that's it. And now we've got to find the cache and write our name in it that we've been here and found the place. Interesting. You can see way down yonder. That's where the lake is. I've just climbed up to. You can just see it through the trees. So there it is. Found the cache. Proof positive. It's not near these stones. That's just a little hint. It's somewhere else. But oops. There we go. That's it. A little blue box with a clip on it. So it's hanging up somewhere. That's all the hints that I'm going to give.